Good morning, YouTube. Getting ready to do a little service on my 2024 Ram3500. Just got my filters in from Doc's Diesel. Wayne, if y'all got a diesel, I recommend hollering at them. They're pretty cheap. I mean, I like them pretty good. I mean, they're not cheap as in cheap, but check that out. They thrown in some cool stickers. Ain't that bad. I got my air filter. They threw this in for free this time. I think when you spend over when you spend over like $135 or something, they throw this in for free. Of course, well, that's a $10 value, as they say. I use clean diesel in my Dodge. Hadn't ever tried this, but it's by Hot Shots, so we'll give it a go on my next fill up. I got my fuel filter. I am changing fuel filters this time. I got two other ones in the truck, because I always keep some in the truck and I swap it out. Another filter, and then I got my oil filter. This all comes as a kit, by the way. There's that part number, and that part number, and that one, and that. This was all a kit. This was not. This is the CCV filter, crankcase vent filter. Should be eventful doing this change this time, because I have not yet changed this on this truck. It's a 21 model. I'm just fixing to hit 60,000, so I figure while I'm doing my service here, I just go ahead and change it. I'm not sponsored by Doc's Diesel in any way, shape, or form, but I do trust them. Their filters are equal to or greater than manufacturer OEM standards, so by using their filters, you will not void your factory warranty. So anybody out there worried about that, as I was, you can go online and read all about that. But yeah, it even tells you right here, meets or exceeds OEM warranty requirements. So, and that's the same for everything. See, everything here. So y'all check them out, and like, subscribe, comment. If y'all use Doc's or don't use Doc's, or if you have something that you like better, man, drop it in the comments. Y'all have a good one now.